I spent the past 30 days studying more than 2,500 successful companies that went live in 2024, and this is what took my breath away. When everyone's speaking about recession concerns, 6 particular business models are thriving and making 70% to 90% margins. As Jeff Bezos would say, great businesses have good gross margins. If I charge $100 for it and it costs me $20 to ship, then my gross margin is $80 or 80%. Today, I am unveiling these 6 businesses that are printing money in 2025. Here's the thing. I've worked and studied directly with a numbers of entrepreneurs to create 6-figure companies using these very same models. Many of them have made more than $25 million in aggregate revenue, and a few of my highest earners began with under $1,000. Success or failure isn't about luck. It's having the right business model with high margins and there being established demand. Business idea number 1, AI chat sales agency, gross margins 70 to 80%. This is the future and it's already here. Chat sales are taking off because customers crave instant answers, not calls. I have clients earning upwards of $50,000 per month assisting businesses in selling via chat platforms. My number 1 salesperson earns more than $200,000 a year selling only via chat. No phone calls, no appointments, just profitable conversations. This is how not to screw this up. First, only target expanding industries. Solar, roofing, consulting, and digital marketing are all expanding drastically. Don't bother with dying industries. I search on ChatGPT for fastest growing industries 2025 and target that. Second, identify businesses with pre-existing audiences. This is important. Don't collaborate with an individual from 0 followers. Focus on companies with 10K plus social media followers who are not maximizing their audience effectively. Others have huge Instagram accounts but never sell to their audience since they don't know how. Third, tie it all to a CRM system. You can't do hundreds of conversations by hand. My team leverages platforms that bring all social channels together and even leverage AI to summarize chat history so reps know where to pick up when they come back to conversations. Success story. My client Sarah transitioned from $0 to $75,000 in monthly revenue within 90 days, assisting local companies in turning social media fans into paying clients through deliberate chat sales. Business idea number 2, virtual assistant placement agency. The market for virtual assistants blew up and doesn't slow down. Remote work is here to stay, and busy business owners need trusted assistants desperately. I know 3 agency owners generating more than $1 million per year placing top-notch VAs. My established system, first, pay on delivery only. This takes away all risk for clients. I only charge when the VA begins working and delivers value. This method makes sales discussions 10 times simpler because there is no upfront risk at all. Second, promise placement with a 60-day replacement guarantee. Agencies don't make promises, so they fail. I promise that if the VA doesn't pan out within 60 days, I'll place them someone else for free. This generates huge word-of-mouth advertising. Third, build your talent pipeline first. Get experienced VAs before you get clients. Target candidates with corporate experience who desire flexibility. Use LinkedIn and industry Facebook groups. Having 20 to 30 pre-screened VAs ready makes placement instant. Pro tip, target executive-level assistants who can do heavy tasks such as project management and client relations. Charge $3,000 to $5,000 placement fees rather than competing with $5 per hour basic VAs. Business idea number 3, social media management with results guarantee. Gross margins, 60 to 70%. Social media is the lifeblood of today's business, but most businesses are at it poorly or don't have the time. The secret to success lies in being results-oriented, not another content producer. Why this is profitable? First, promise specific results. Don't vow more engagement. Promise quantifiable results such as 500 new local followers in 60 days or 25% more social media-driven website traffic. This sets you apart from every other social media expert. Second, emphasize video-first content. Posts of text are dead. Video content attracts 1,200% more engagement than images and text combined. Learn fundamental video editing. You don't require Hollywood production, but need good light and sound. Third, pinpoint service-based local businesses. Restaurants, gyms, salons, and professional services realize instant ROI on social media. They have visual products and local consumers who utilize social platforms on a daily basis. Success model. My client Marcus transitioned from bartender to $60,000 a month assisting local companies in increasing social presence. His trick? He works with only 8 to 10 clients and produces amazing results instead of doing 50 accounts half-heartedly. Viral mistake to avoid: don't attempt to be all things to all people. Choose one platform, TikTok or Instagram, dominate it fully and then scale. Specialists earn more than generalists. Business idea number 4, online course creation agency. Gross margins, 75 to 85%. All the experts want to put an online course together, but 95% never complete it because they're intimidated by the technicality. That's your chance. My client Jennifer created a $250,000 company assisting coaches to monetize their knowledge through successful online courses. The winning strategy: first, target only proven experts. Waste no time with wannabe gurus. Work with individuals already generating income from their expertise, consultants, coaches, or service providers with paying clients. They possess validated expertise and existing customer relationships. Second, utilize the done-with-you model. You walk them through a tried-and-true system while they produce content. This maintains your time investment low and keeps them accountable. You're the conductor, they're the orchestra. Third, pre-sell prior to creating. Secret sauce: get at least 25 pre-orders before you even start filming anything. This confirms demand, pays for creation, and ensures success. Most creators create courses nobody wants. We create courses people have already purchased. Revenue model: collect $5,000 to $10,000 up front, and 10 to 15% of sales of the course for the first year. This aligns your success with theirs and builds passive income streams. Business idea number 5, email marketing automation specialist. Gross margins, 80 to 90%. Email marketing pulls in $42 for every dollar spent, but most companies send awful emails or delete their lists. This makes huge opportunity for experts who get modern email marketing. My step-by-step strategy: first, review their existing performance. All businesses possess valuable mailing lists which they are not generating revenue from. Demonstrate to them precisely how much revenue they're missing out on. Employ the following formula: email list size times 2% conversion rate times average order value equals monthly missed revenue. The results tend to be staggering. Second, begin with abandoned cart recovery. This is the low-hanging fruit. 70% of online consumers abandon carts, but a quick 3-email sequence can win back 15 to 25% of those sales. This alone will often justify your whole service fee. Third, create behavior-driven campaigns. Go beyond simple newsletters to complex automation. A one-time buyer receives varying emails compared to someone who shops but never buys. Personalization boosts revenue by 40% on average. Case study: my client. Rebecca's average e-commerce customer experiences 35% revenue uplift within 90 days. When you correlate your work directly with revenue growth, clients are more than happy to pay top dollar because the ROI is clear. Business idea number 6, business process automation consultant. Gross margins, 75 to 85%. Small businesses are losing 40% of their time to redundant tasks that could be done automatically by technology. My client David earns $400,000 a year as an automation consultant, advising businesses to automate their processes using easy no-code tools. The profitable process: first, record their time-wasting tasks. Spend a day shadowing their operations. Most business owners are unaware that they spend 15+ hours a week on data entry, follow-ups, and manual reporting that can be automated. Second, utilize tested no-code platforms. Zapier, Monday.com, and Airtable enable you to create strong automations without programming. Your worth is not technical competency. It is familiarity with their business processes and matchmaking the right solutions. Third, begin with a minimum and scale up mechanically. Start with a single automation that conserves 5+ hours per week. Once they realize the worth, they will plead you to automate all the rest. This builds natural account growth and recurring revenue. Success metric: David's customers tend to save 20 to 30 hours per month within 60 days. At $50 per hour value, that is $1,000 to $1,500 per month savings for a one-time $3,000 to $5,000 investment. Implementation strategy: here's what distinguishes successful entrepreneurs from dreamers: speed of execution. Choose one business that aligns with your current skills and passion. Don't attempt to launch all 6 at once. Your 30-day action plan. Week 1. Research your selected industry in great depth. Find 50 potential clients that align with your ideal customer profile. Review their current challenges and pain points. Week 2. Develop your service offer and pricing strategy. Create case studies or examples that show potential value for prospects. Try building a small website or landing page. Week 3. Communicate with 20 prospects individually. Propose free consultations or audits as a way to start conversations. Show a desire to understand problems rather than trying to sell solutions. Week 4. Provide outstanding results to your first 2 to 3 clients, even if you're charging below market rates to start. Document everything and use it for future case studies and testimonials. If you've made it this far, I know you care about building something of value. The fact that you took 7 minutes to learn these strategies says it all about how much you care. This is the truth about launching a business in 2025. Launching any business is easier than ever, especially when having the right model and proper execution. Technology exists, demand has been proven, and the margin to make profit is there. It's not about having the ultimate idea, it's about getting one proven model and executing it better than your competition. Every single successful entrepreneur who ever was started just where you are. So, here's my challenge. Pick one business from today's list. Spend the next 48 hours researching it deeply, then take the first concrete action toward making it real. The only thing standing between you and that first $100,000 year is consistent, focused execution. Which business really resonated with you? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're starting with. I read every comment and often reply with specific advice. For more working business strategies, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Your future self that is successful will thank you.